Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning Presley's room. I am in this cleaning mode right now, so I've been cleaning a room or two a day, and I am so excited to share this with you. I am just going to take every single thing out of her dresser. Her dresser, I only use pretty much 2 of the drawers, which I really should use all 4. A lot of it is just junk and headbands and stuff that Scarlett didn't want, so we kind of threw in Presley's room so she would be able to use it when she's a little older. We have a ton of hand-me-down clothes, which is so funny because I would never thought I would let my kid have hand-me-downs, but they are from Scarlett. She only grew out of them like 2 years ago, which is crazy because our girls are 6 years apart. But Presley is already wearing 4T clothes, and Scarlett is like just growing into like a 6'7", which is just insane. But I have a ton of Scarlett's clothes. Half of them she didn't even wear, so I don't even know if I would really consider them hand-me-downs. But anyways, I just want to get all of this situated and get everything that does not fit Presley anymore out of her drawers and out of her closet.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the 2 of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. Close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the 2 of us. We only need the 2 of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they will disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the 2 of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. I wanna get to your goals, gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. I'm gonna let my hair down, I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound, we're gonna break the mold, the mold. Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade?
So Presley is 2, and she definitely destroys her bedroom within 5 minutes. She will get all these stuffed animals out of this little bin, and then she takes books and just scatters them galore. So her room was crazy messy, and she only sleeps in here. We don't really play in here once in a great while, but by the time I get her dressed in the morning or wake her up, like, it is destroyed by then. So I was so excited to get this finally cleaned and dusted, and then I also did some vacuuming as well.
We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over.
And the lighting started getting kind of weird. You guys probably wonder why she has like a blue curtain which matches her room, and then she has a red curtain. Well, the red curtain, because they are almost like blackout curtains, so it's way easier for her to take a nap during the day. But the lighting got so bad in here, I didn't even know what to do, but you won't have to deal with this awful lighting for too long. But I just have the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the Lime and Sea Salt, which is one of my favorites. I'm just using that to dust and clean her room.
Now you got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes.
And since I was on such a roll to clean her room, I just moved everything out so I could vacuum all around it. Sometimes the cat does sneak in here and sleeps behind this chair, so there was a lot of cat hair behind there. So I was really happy to get all that cleaned out.
Dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
company called Edric contacted me and they wanted me to try out their Life Premium Quality bed pillows. It is a down alternative. It's hypoallergenic and dust mite resistant. You get 2 comfortable pillows. They are a 20 by 26 and you get 2 of them, which I thought was so awesome. Both of my girls really needed new pillows, so I was so excited. I really liked that they were sealed tight with a cute little ribbon, and then once you opened them, they kind of just fluffed right out. I thought these were awesome, and I am so glad that my girls have new pillows. If you'd like to check these out, I will leave the link in the description box below, so you'll also be able to check these out. But these are really, really nice, and I was really happy with the quality of them. They are 100% cotton cover, and there are a 6D polyester fiber filling, and they are also allergy resistant, so I thought that was so awesome as well. And they have super plush fiber filling, so awesome.
So you had me bite through the bullet. I won't play a second fiddle with you. You look away just when they pull it. You gotta step up, yeah, you miss your cue. Ooh, your time is up now. I'm no fool. I know what you are up to. Keep things cool, but it won't help you this time. This time, no.
Alright you guys, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you do want to check out those pillows, like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below so you'll be able to check those out. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye! Presley, do you like your new pillow?